Well, greetings, you intrepid seeker of knowledge. Today, we find ourselves at the precipice of life's profound mysteries, a topic that treads the delicate line between profound and peculiar fascination. Brace yourself as we peel back the layers of the enigma that shrouds the final act, delving into the heavyweight contenders on both the global and local stages of the natural departure game. It's a cosmic clash, a celestial showdown, pitting the champions of worldwide farewells against the stars and stripes send-off. So fasten the seatbelts, dear Curiosity Crusaders. We are on the cusp of a journey through the vast realms of natural goodbyes, where the gravity of the subject meets a sprinkle of humor and a dash of precise insights. Picture it as an odyssey into life's grand finale, where the serious meets the amusing, and we unravel the intricate threads that weave the tapestry of the inevitable. Whether you're prepared or caught off guard, the expedition into the exploration of life's concluding act is about to commence. Ready yourselves, for the curtain rises on the cosmic theater of existence. We're stepping into the ring for a global smackdown, where the heavyweights aren't throwing punches but causing quite a stir. It's the worldwide showdown of natural goodbyes. Number 5. Neurological showdown, where conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's take the center stage. It's like a mind-boggling battle affecting millions worldwide, and trust me, it's a real head-scratcher. These neurological contenders prove that sometimes the toughest battles happen in the mind. It's a struggle where every thought is a move and the outcome is uncertain, making it a global puzzle that humanity strives to solve. Number 4. Cancer knockout, the C word taking a formidable spot in this global bout. It's like the persistent contender that doesn't pull punches, affecting lives on a worldwide scale. Whether it's lung or stomach cancer, it's a tough opponent to beat. Cancer, the uninvited guest in life's ring, teaching us that resilience is key in this relentless battle. Number 3. Infectious tango, where diseases are doing a worldwide dance. From the flu to tuberculosis, it's a global salsa impacting communities far and wide. It's a real viral sensation, but not the kind you'd want to share on social media. Infectious diseases, the dance partners you never asked for. The world becomes a stage, and the infectious tango becomes a global performance we all wish to end. Number 2. Let's waltz into the respiratory rumble. It's like a breathtaking competition, but not the kind that leaves you in awe. Think chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and pneumonia. These lung-related contenders giving a tough fight on the global stage. It's a wheezy showdown that takes your breath away, quite literally. The airways become the battleground, and it's a global struggle to keep lungs dancing to the rhythm of life. Number 1. Let's delve into the cardiovascular showstopper, a real heartbreaker, both metaphorically and literally. Envision it as the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, landing powerful blows in the form of heart attacks and strokes. It's not just a match, it's a knockout affecting folks from every nook and cranny of the planet, making hearts skip a beat for all the wrong reasons. It's a grand spectacle where the heart takes center stage and the rhythm of life faces formidable challenges. So buckle up, Curiosity champions. We're about to unravel the specifics, the stats, and maybe crack a few jokes along the way in this worldwide face-off of natural goodbyes. Stick around. This is one showdown you won't want to miss. Let's redirect our gaze to the good old USA, the land of the free and the brave, but also the land of some unexpected contenders in the face of natural goodbyes. Get ready for a star-spangled showdown that might just tug at your heartstrings. Number 5. Accidental chaos rounds out the top 5 in the US. It's like an unexpected contender stepping into the ring, reminding us all to look both ways before crossing the street of life. Accidents, the wild card that keeps us on our toes and teaches us that sometimes life throws unexpected curveballs. It's not just about dodging accidents, it's about learning to navigate the chaotic dance of life with agility and caution. Number 4. Unfriendly sugar rush, as diabetes enters the ring, fueled by the American diet. It's like a sugar-coated contender throwing a punch in the fight against natural death. The sweet stuff might taste delightful, but it can pack a serious punch when it comes to health. It's a reminder that our dietary choices can have a sugary impact on our well-being, and it's time to sweeten the deal with healthier choices. Number 3. The respiratory rumble makes a triumphant return. Proving they're not to be underestimated, respiratory diseases come back with a vengeance. It's like a second wind in the battle against natural death in the US, reminding us that every breath counts in this lung-powered struggle. The airways become the arena, and we're all in this fight together, gasping for victory against respiratory challenges. Number 2. Now, prepare for the cancer clash. Cancer steps up as a serious contender, just like on the global stage. From breast to prostate, it's like a nationwide fight against this formidable opponent. Picture it as a tug of war where the stakes are high and the battle against cancer is a united effort across the nation. It's not just a single skirmish, it's an ongoing war where every person becomes a soldier in the fight for health. Number 1, cardiovascular diseases are still taking the lead, and it's more than just a routine heartbreak. It's a star-spangled affair impacting Americans just as much as anyone else. So, keep that ticker in check, because in this bout, the heart takes center stage in a dance that's both rhythmic and risky. It's like a symphony of heartbeats playing a tune that echoes across the nation. And there you have it, fabulous folks. The top 5 leading causes of natural goodbyes worldwide versus in the good old USA, a showdown so epic it could rival the biggest heavyweight bouts. But remember, this isn't just a spectator sport, it's a call to action to be the champion of your own health, stay in the know, and live your best life because, in this game of life, we're all contenders. Now, if you found this info as mind-blowing as a knockout punch, don't just stand there like a bystander. Hit that like button. If you want more knockout content delivered straight to your screen, consider subscribing to our channel. And hey, we're not just throwing punches here. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment with your thoughts, maybe some topics you'd like us to tackle in the next round. We're all ears and ready to take on new challenges. Until our next round of knowledge exchange, stay curious like a cat with 9 lives, stay healthy like a fitness guru on a green smoothie diet, and keep rocking life. This is your friendly info champ, signing off with a glove bump and a promise to keep the knowledge flowing. Keep on championing all healthy heroes.
Dirty, dirty. Know I'm clean, how I'm coming, I can't show no mercy. Know what I mean, know what I need.